So food rules that I had growing up, I don't think I really had that many. I know two that three I can think of right now is to give everything on my plate a chance, take a bite. I remember growing up, I hated beans. They look gross, and I did not want to try them at all. Like, I just did not want any, but my mom would tell me to take at least one or two bites of it, and um, I would. And now, as an adult, I love beans. Like I'll eat beans. I'm over that. Ew, they're gross phase. I actually like them. And another one is like not to play with my food. If I don't want my food, just leave it alone. Don't play with it. Don't mix it up. Don't make it look gross. And another one is like don't chew with your mouth open. Like nobody wants to see your food being all chewed up. Those are the only rules I can think of that I would consider as rules. Yeah.